Alam nyo ba, para sa ating mga viewers, na nasa likod na namin
Yes,
ang ating
nagtayuan na silang lahat.
Third man in the
viewers
cage.
ngayon dito. Sa likod na namin.
Referee Joey Lepitan. May we remind everybody around the cage to please turn off your flashes. No flash photography. And of course, do not put this online. We've already sent people out.
Ito na ang pinakahihintay ng marami on social
Round
media.
1!
Maraming excited dito kasi ilang ano nito na-cancel nung nakaraan. Ay, na-postpone pala
Na-postpone
itong laban na to. So now,
naging issue din yung pag-postpone na yon.
Push kick by a Bullet. Tignan natin. Another push kick by Bullet.
Na iniindala, wala lang kay Sugar Ray. Okay.
Punches by Sugar Ray. Ito yung sinasabi natin na kailangan mong iwasan kay Sugar Ray. Na ikaw ay didikit.
Mabigat ang kamay ni Sugar Ray.
Oo naman. Let's not forget that Sugar Ray is a former professional boxer.
Yes.
Ito. He is a former professional boxer. At pinapatayo siya ni Sugar Ray.
No! Mga nagsasabi na scripted. Is that scripted for you?
It's not. This is not.
This is not scripted.
This is not scripted.
Totoong sakitan ito ng dalawa.
And you can hear the punches, you can hear the kicks. This is not scripted.
I think it's done. Galit na galit si Sugar Ray. Gigil na gigil. Nakita yun.
Boss Bullet.